B-51 airborne, B-50 airborne. They will fly together. The B-51 classically gave support to the larger bombers, and they were there to fly to support their So we can start on the British one, the Lancaster. Lancaster was, at the time, the best heavy bomber around. It was designed at 104 feet wingspan, and the reason for that logical dimension is that was the maximum wingspan we could get into the British standard hangar door. 4 Merlin engines, more than enough power, and it's got those capacity for everything from the tank, the bomb, the eyeball, the runway, there. Very versatile. Lancaster, big aeroplane, I just have to wander around inside it. There is absolutely no room inside the Lancaster. Big bar boxes which run across the fuselage where the wings are. The rear turret is so small that the rear runner does not wear a parachute when they Whereas the B-17 was the stalwart aircraft of the 8th Air Force, Brunei Air Force, and they insisted on doing daylight missions. Initially, before the P-51 Mustang came along, they were flying night missions, day missions, sorry, but the fighter escort could only go so far, it didn't have the range. So German fighters were waiting, the new one the fighters, this fighter would leave, anyway, if they got 30% return from that range, that would be a miracle. The P-51 Mustang changed that in that when it took the Merlin engine, it then started to have the force performance, fuel efficiency, and they also found they could fit drop tanks on it, which were made from papier-mâché, which gave the aircraft the capability of escorting the P-17 to the length of the mission.